Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video we are going to walk through how to request your information held in immigration UK system. So before I proceed further, I would like to clarify neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, you do it at your own risk. My intention is to show you how to use the service and this information is available publicly. So guys, if you're familiar with Canadian immigration, you know that Canada offers GCMS where you can get case notes and any other information they have held about you. And that also helps a lot of people when they have any earlier refusal to know the details and apply. Something similar is here in UK also. So this is what we are going to walk through this. So in front of you, I have opened this official government UK site. So you can see that you can request personal information about you that is held on Home Office immigration record, also known as subject access request. Okay, there are three type of requests that you can make. And one good thing is this is free. Okay, as you can see, and you can get a response within 1 month of your supporting documents being received by the Home Office. Okay, so what are the things you can ask? An electronic summary of your immigration history, landing cards we hold electronically, visa applications you submitted from outside the UK, worker WRSS information, entry and exit into UK. Your travel history can be provided for the past 5 years if a passport or travel document is submitted. So you can get that information. Okay. You can also request specific information if you need to. List of your application, particular decision letter, outcome of an appeal, detention program report, deportation letter, particular interview record. So see, they have all this information for you if you really need to. And how to make this request? This you can apply using online application form. Okay, let me go down. So we'll click on this and see what are the things it offers. And you need to send the evidence also. Guidance they have also given photo identification, letter of permission, proof of your relationship, and other things, complaint process, feedback process. All right. Subject access request. The same information they have given: basic request, specific request, detailed request about the online form, how do we use your data. So you can select which one you want, specific record. So see, it is in 6 steps: application, documents, declaration, print, specific record of your copies of passport, copies of application forms, copy of decision letters. You need to provide details, application form, and you can even do multiple. See, that's good. Oh, name of the application forms to continue. All right. I'm just doing some sample guides, so don't mind. When you do, you have to do as per your situation. Register an email, password. Then you have to provide application details, documents that we saw to in order to attach, declaration, pay, download, and print. Okay. So of course, I'm not going to go to document declaration and pay. So let me go through and register an email account to your, I mean, a link to your email address that you need to click and verify. Then it asks who this email address belongs to. So then it asks immigration advice. Check your answer. Okay. And then we are going to go to the next section. Completing, I select no. Detail. Okay. Other name, no. You need to put as per your case. Don't go by this. And you can save and exit as well. And then once this section is completed, in the next section, they will ask for the documents and then declaration and all. So I don't have a UK postal code, so I cannot go beyond here, and I'm not going to submit. So this way you got the idea. So thanks for watching this, guys. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.